Only about a quarter of the initial applications for Social Security benefits are approved. There can be a number of factors that might cause the administration to deny you benefits on your initial application. Most of the time, the denials that we see are due to a lack of comprehensive medical evidence that supports the claim. If your application has been denied, the most important thing that you can do to make sure that your appeal is successful is to go get medical treatment and make sure that it is documented. Comprehensive medical records and objective medical evidence, the most important factors that the administration considers in determining whether or not someone is disabled. If your initial application is denied, the first step to appeal that denial is to file what's called a request for reconsideration. This request is filed with your local Social Security office and causes your file to be given to another disability examiner who will review it and make a decision as to whether or not the first examiner made the correct decision. You can be denied SSI but approved for SSDI or RSDI, and the reason that you might be denied for SSI but approved for RSDI would be that your assets are too great for you to be eligible for participation in the Supplemental Security Income Program. If you're successful on your appeal, you may receive back pay in certain instances. If the administrative law judge or the Social Security Administration ultimately determines that you became disabled on the date that you alleged in your initial application or some earlier date than the date that your appeal was approved, you might receive past due benefits dating back to that date. In some instances with RSDI, you could receive retroactive benefits up to 12 months prior to your initial application date. With RSDI, you could receive past due benefits back to the date of your application, less the 5-month waiting period for your benefits to begin. With SSI benefits, the benefits are payable the following month after the application. Another difference is that with an RSDI claim, in some instances, retroactive benefits can be paid for up to 12 months prior to the application date. We feel that free consultations are a cornerstone of our Social Security practice because we don't want there to be any barriers between people who are in tough situations and need answers. If you come in to meet with us about a Social Security denial, you can expect that we'll go over your denial paperwork from the Social Security Administration. We're going to discuss your disability, hear your story. We're going to consider any medical evidence you have, and we're going to help you formulate a plan for moving forward. And we'll try to help you outline the process of an appeal and what it's likely going to look like moving forward.